How to change language on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to change the app language on Instagram? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to change the app language on Instagram. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture. Tap on the hamburger menu. A menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see Your App and Media section. Over here, you will see the option for language. Tap on it, scroll down the list and select the language of your choice. Please note that not all languages are yet available on Instagram, so search accordingly. Once you have found the language of your choice, simply tap on it and boom! You have successfully learned how to change the app language on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.